Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain how to analyze a chart with the use of simple technical analysis tools. I'm sure this video will definitely help you to analyze a chart very easily. Even if you are a new trader, you are new to this field, you don't worry about this. This video definitely will help you to simply analyze a chart and you can take a call based on that. Here we are going to mainly concentrate on the practical side of the analyzing than the theoretical part. We are not going deeply into the theoretical part. So what are the things, what are the area we are going to cover in this analysis? We are mainly concentrating on few tools, technical analysis tools in this. First one is the support line, and support line will explain to you in with the chart, live chart, how the support line work, what kind of call we have to take on the support line when it is approaching to price is approaching to the support line. Second area we are going to cover is resistance line or resistance level. So this level will show you what is the resistance level and how the price action happens when it is approaching, when the share is approaching into the resistance level. First we'll concentrate on the support level. So this is the support level. First we are analyzing support level. What is support level and how it is working? What kind of call we have to take when it is a price is approaching to the support level? We can look into this section. This is one particular share price where it is supporting a particular level. So what is support line? I can show you here in the live chart. When this is a downtrend, this chart were or this share were in the downtrend, the price started falling from here to this level, bottom level. So it approached into a particular level where it is trying to break, but it is not happening. So this level is become as support. Why it is support? We are calling it as a support. When it is in the downtrend, when the share is getting sell, or when it is sell off, the sell off is going on at a particular level or particular price, people are those who are in the sell side, they will started booking their profit. So what happened? This support is that they will start booking their profit here, this area, everything. So when they started booking profit from a particular area, they are feeling that this level is much important or it is some crucial level, so they will slowly book their profit. So this level become a support for that kind of transaction or that share. So we can draw what is the importance of this support level. Here we are going to draw a horizontal level. We're connecting the lowest price. Then we'll understand what is the importance of this support level. Okay, here we can see we have drawn a horizontal line here. What is the what it is showing is that this price, this equity or this currency were continuously selling and it was continuously falling in and falling, but when it has approached this level, the sellers or the bear people, they started they tried to sell here again, but it didn't succeed, so they started booking their profit. So what is support level is that a level or a point where the price, whenever the price falling, it will keep it as a level as a support, or it will keep that level as important for further sell off. If that level is not breaking, people those who sold or the bull market people, what they will decide that they will keep that level as the support or that level as the crucial level, and they will go for, or they will go for long, or they will go for new fresh position from that area. So here you can see that here this level is keeping as a support, or this level is keeping as an important. It is not the first time. Here you can see first time it is approached here, second day also it's approached, third day is also approached, and then after few days it again came to the same level. It is came to the same level, and it is keeping this level as again supported, then again tried, then the one more day, it 1 or 2 days it tried here to break this level, but nothing has happened. This level is become a crucial level for this equity. Now as a new trader, or a fresh as a new trader, what kind of call, what we can decide from this? When you are in the near to a support level, or you have to find out what is the support level of this transaction or this equity. When you are able to find the actual support level of this equity, you can decide what kind of call we have to take. So we can look into this big bull market, where there actually it was continuously going up from a particular level, then it started crashing. So from that crash, it struck one particular level. You can see this level become the some important, and it struck this level. So this level becomes some important for now. This level becomes some important now. So what we can do from this, as a fresh, as a newcomer into the market, you can what kind of call you can take it when it is approaching into the support level. Here you have to wait for, first thing you have to note, confirmation of candle. You have to see when it is in the red candle. After the red candle, the support line, it is in the red candle ended in the support level, then you have to watch what is the next candle is showing. If the next candle is opening below this support level, then you can assume that this is going to break this support level, and that open candle is closing below the support level. Suppose this might be opening below the support level, but it's closed above the support level. So in that case, this we can say that this candle is showing that it opened here and try to break downside the low recorded here, but from that low it closed higher of the support level, that is it's closed above the support level. So we have to first and foremost thing, you have to notice that when a price equity, or when anything which is approaching into the support level, what is the confirmation it is showing the next candle. If the confirmation is showing downside, it is showing suppose the candle has opened here somewhere the downside, then we can say that if it is open below this, then we can say that it is a this support level breaks, then we can go for short from here. In this case it is not happen. So in this case it is not happen. So this is level becomes some support. Next candle also bull candle has come, green candle, again the green candle, showing that it is when it is approaching into the support level, then the level becomes some crucial, and people are started going long from going long, or people started booking whatever those who sold over the rally, they are booking their profit here. When it is coming to the again it is approached to the same level, people have started buying from that level again, support. Now again it tested the same level, but the confirmation is also supporting this support level, the crucial level. Then again another candle which is coming, and it is showing that green candles where the people can long from these levels. So the first call, or first and basic idea from based on the support level, is that you have to identify what level it is. Secondly, you have to find the you have to wait for the confirmation candle. If the second candle or the third candle which is opening below the support level, then you can say that support level is broken. If it is not happening, the candles are opening above the support level, then you can keep the first trading idea is that you can go long by keeping the support level or below the support level as the stop loss. Somewhere if you are keeping the stop loss somewhere here, if you're keeping some small stop loss below this level, and you can go long from here. This is, suppose if you are here, then you are long here and you can keep a stop loss or somewhere here, then this level, this is a good call actually. As a newcomer or something, easily you can identify this is support level, then keep a stop loss below this support level, go long, then or you buy this equity, then you can make some money from this trade. So that is the first one, is support level, support line or support level. Next we can go to what is resistance level. We will directly go to a chart, we can identify what is the resistance level, how it is working, and what kind of call we can take from the resistance level. Now we can directly look at one chart. This is one share chart or equity chart. This will also show you how to analyze the technical resistance level. What is technical resistance level? So first we can look at what is the theoretic, what is the technical resistance level means, what it is. We'll give you an outline about that. This level means, resistance level means, when it is in an uptrend, that in his, we can lively look into the chart, we can see that this equity were, or this equity chart showing that this was a continuous uptrend from this level, below this level also. From this, if you are watching this chart, you can see this is trading in continuously upside momentum. It was continuously going up. So what is the importance of a resistance level is that when it is going upward movement, the people who bought the lower level or the below this level, they will started booking their profit when it is approaching into a particular level, when the share is approaching into a particular level. In that time, when the share is approaching into a particular, that time, that level becomes important level or crucial level, just like a support level. So here in this script, we can see that it is a daily chart where we can see a particular level, this this equity or this share is becoming a crucial level. That level is keeping that for this equity as a crucial level for to break that level. So here this chart in this equity, it is trying, the bull candles are trying to break that, but it is not succeeding here. So we can see what is that level. We are going again with the horizontal line. We are drawing one line over here. So here, what is resistance level? We can see, if you are seeing that I told you what is resistance level, a particular point or a price level where the people have started booking their profit, that is the resistance level. So in that time, people will try to break this level, but if it is not happening, then other people will also started selling based on this level as the stop or something, or this is treating this level as the crucial level. Here the people who bought here, they are booking, they reached here somewhere, then they started taking their profit. So here also so this, in this chart we can see here it is approached a particular level. From that level, it didn't succeed that level, it tried to break but did not happen. So then again some kind of selling has happened. Then we can see it is approached to the second day also, it is approached to the same level, but that time also the same things has happened, it didn't succeed, it not able to break that particular or crucial level. Again another day it is approached the same level, but that time also this particular stock is not able to break that level. Here also again it is approaching the level. Now this today's live price, where it is showing, it is again approaching into the higher level. So it is almost near to the high level of equity, high level of this resistance. So what I told you about what is resistance level, a particular point where the people for the people that level are keeping as a stop or something, and it tried to break that level several times. If it is one time, that can be treated as a crucial limb, but if it is trying to break that level and it's not happening at all, then that level, and multiple times, then that level becomes some of the crucial or important level for that equity. So in this share, the crucial level for this equity is this level, where it tried several days but not able to break that. It is not happen at all. So if this time the share price is breaking this level, then you can see a good rally from this. Till that time, we can keep this as a resistance, and what kind of call based on the resistance we can take. So first of all, I told you, if you are a new trader or experienced trader, the basic function or basic thing we have to note that we have to wait what is the confirmation you are getting from this resistance level. Here the confirmation you can see, this candle open higher but closed below this level. So it tried here but didn't go through. Second candle opened below this level again, this resistance level, below the resistance level. Suppose if the candle is open higher this, if the candle has opened above this candle, then we can say that this level has broken and we can go long from based on that. In this case, it was not happen, and again it approached here the same way, the open higher and touched the higher level, but the next candle opened below this level. So what is the confirmation is showing that this level is becoming a crucial, and it is not, no candle has opened higher of this level, above this level. So if some candle open above this level, then people can say that this level is broken and we can go long. But in this case, this area also, here also the candle approached the same resistance level, but the confirmation, they didn't get the confirmation. Then the people are started selling because the next candle red has come again, red. So it is showing that some selling opportunities are come, it is showing some selling opportunity. So here this also one one time also tried here, then again the confirmation, it is showing that there is a selling only opportunity. It is next candle didn't open above this level. Now this time again it is approaching. We have to see whether this next candle is opening above this level. If this level, if the next candle is opening above this level, that if it is opening above this level, then we can say that this is a break, this is a break. Okay, then if the next candle is opening above this, then we can say that this is a break and this resistance level is a break. Till that time, we can keep it that this level as a some resistance level or something. Till that this level as a resistance level or something, then we can create some kind of small short position by keeping some near to some this level as a stop loss or something. So this way we can identify what is resistance and what is support. I gave you small idea about resistance. Ultimate thing you have to notice that you have to see the candle, confirmation candle, how the confirmation candle is showing to you, whether it is going opening above the resistance level or below the resistance level. If it is opening above the resistance level, and the candle is closing above the resistance level like this, if it is open here and closed above this resistance level, then it is clearly showing that confirmation, showing that you can arrive a conclusion that this level has broken, the resistance level has broken. And if it is in this case that be open below this resist level and closed also below this level, then it is showing that the level is still protecting, or this level is having some kind of importance, and people are started selling from this. So you can take a call based on this analysis like support and resistance. I hope my small video will definitely help you understand some kind of part of about the support and resistance. Even if I told already about, even if you are a new trader also, with these two tools, support and resistance, you can identify some kind of trade and you can make some profit also. Here the clear live example I have shown you. Suppose you are here in resistance level, you are knowing only the resistance level and support. If you are knowing, you can easily make some money with this analysis. So no complex tools explained here. I hope you understand everything. I hope you understood some part of this technical and support level. And if you like my video, please support. Thank you so much.